Trade, trade, trade with the Lord hates. Money moves like we're Mercedes. Crypto kings and CFD ladies. In the green, we're never lazy. Get on a trade with Lord hates. Future contracts daily. Crypto coins so crazy. CFDs amaze me. Spin the charts, yeah baby. Riding trends, no maybe. Buy and sell so wavy. Profits feeling hazy. Trade, trade, trade with the Lord hates. Money moves like we're Mercedes. Crypto kings and CFD ladies. In the green, we're never lazy. Candlestick confetti. Charts are set and ready. Volumes heavy, steady. Profit goals so heady. Ethereum and Bitcoin. Hades makes the right coin. Signal never disappoints. Stacking gains like a joint. Trade, trade, trade with the Lord hates. Money moves like we're Mercedes. Crypto kings and CFD ladies. In the green, we're never lazy. Get on a trade with Lord hates. Future contracts daily. Crypto coins so crazy. CFDs amaze me. Spin the charts, yeah baby. Riding trends, no maybe. Buy and sell so wavy. Profits feeling hazy. Trade, trade, trade with the Lord hates. Money moves like we're Mercedes. Crypto kings and CFD ladies. In the green, we're never lazy. Candlestick confetti. Charts are set and ready. Volumes heavy, steady. Profit goals so heady. Ethereum and Bitcoin. Hades makes the right coin. Signal never disappoints. Stacking gains like a joint. Trade, trade, trade with the Lord hates. Money moves like we're Mercedes. Crypto kings and CFD ladies. In the green, we're never lazy.
Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Oh. Gonna try to trade futures now, but we're gonna watch the charts, isn't it? Let me see the quality of the stream. See, I changed it to this 1080p. I was like, why it looks so bad? Why it looks so bad? Sound looks good. Let's put some music. Just let's check how it sounds. Sounds good. Sounds good. So, man, yesterday we were saying that we wanna see Dow moving up. It did, but first it moved down, and now we gave everything back. It seems, yeah. Let's see. I wonder why Bobby is not here. He texted me. Oh boy. So yesterday we were saying that for Dow, we were based on the move we had. So guys, I don't know if you see that, but this is upside down. I was tripping. Oh boy. Yeah, I was like, yeah, we moved up. Then we gave everything back. Oh boy. Yes. So we said, yeah, I have been noticing this a lot. Okay, we have when you have two dealing ranges like this. So this is basically a defined range here for this leg here. Okay, and a full, it always comes to the lower one. I've noticed it many times. Okay, so I will just start using this and see how it goes, because I've noticed that I'm not greedy enough, so I'm always taking the top side, like from this one, and then you have to go through some drawdown, which is okay. I mean, I know that I will take the best trade for that setup if I take the top. But we see it dipped in further in discount, which basically is the discount of the whole leg here. And now that's interesting in that sense, because let me reduce a bit the music. So I listen to high volume. So one sec. So basically it came into further discount, and I like this because now this stripped all these previous day lows here. Okay, and now we are here. We took this previous day high. I think with the news we might come a bit down and then take this and go ultimately for the highs. So we were correct yesterday, but we are not correct on the. I mean, we are correct on the direction, but not how it will happen. Yes, and we said we are expecting to go higher. Same with NQ. This trade here. So it stripped the highs. Then it came to take this very obvious lows that we had from some time ago. And I had the short the other day, and it didn't took these lows, and I was like, okay, it built liquidity for the news days, and finally we get it. So let's go back to down. There should be a lot of trap shorts here. They're getting squeezed. And I took some longs here, but it was on MYM. I can't show you guys. It's funny because I've done most of my TA on YM, but my MYM was more on point at the time. Okay, so I was waiting here, and then I see the reversal, which is something we used to take a lot of during lunch. You know, during lunch we were taking many reversals, at least on Nasdaq. But yesterday played on YM2. That was a beautiful trade here. And on NQ yesterday I had this short from here, but I didn't thought it would come like that low. This is the day dividers. I start to dislike them. Yes, more nice. So what I'm expecting today, man, this was a massive move. So I didn't save it up. Bravo. So I guess something in discount. Yeah, something in discount. See, London taking the high of Asia, but because we have news and we had such an extensive move high, so this was probably the manipulation leg. Now this is the expansion, and you can see we consolidate above previous consolidations. So I'm expecting after the news to get maybe something similar like this. We get up, down, and then squeeze to break all this liquidity from here. Why this color is so ugly? That's what I think today would be the play again. Let's see Forex Factory of the Forex. I traded my old boots pending 315. So now basically it's a Euro News, and then we have Core PPI 330, press conference 345, and then I think we get the major move here, and then the reversal 8 p.m. That's quite late. $19,695 I say 695. Yeah, so now ICT posted about these highs here, yes? See? We just he is watching the stream. He's watching the stream. We just said about this guys. He's spying on us. Yeah. Forex, the view. I would like to see it like slow grind here and then flip up. Basically what I want. Something like that, yeah. To come on this area. So if Nasdaq gonna go high, we're gonna get some shorts on yen. How much does this look like Bitcoin in 2018? And the Japanese people, they don't see the 4-year cycle. That people from Bitcoin will kill me, yeah. Futures, contracts, CFDs is all Greek to me. So we took the lows finally. I can sleep. I was like, we can, you know, launching with those lows there. So good. All the ICT speaks about these guys here. That's nice because that's my target for the day. You see, this is a daily fair value gap. We talked yesterday about this fair value gap. Yes. How important was to see the reaction there. We basically destroyed the buy side here, and then we are holding above the midpoint. See how clean it is. So this is the daily open. Let's go on the 1 hour. Yeah. So, question for you guys. What are the 3 cycles that price does? Accumulation, yes, before news. Manipulation. I can see an expansion higher. My horse is good. Damn, I just start to learn all these songs by heart. By the way, if you want to find these songs, if you like them, we'll listen to some new ones today. But if you want to find them, if you click on my bento link, bento.me, what is that link? Let me see. Bento.me, it is futures. There is explore my playlist section. And there you can see the 2 playlists. Looking X is so funny sometimes. So we want to see a manipulation. We know the time also. We'll see it. 8:30. So we want the manipulation to have take place soon. So today at least price action looks way better than yesterday. Yesterday I couldn't even form a bias, so at some point I know that it looked that we go higher, and that was the goal. After all, it did it. I will put the new playlist. Wait a second. Still, what time is it? 8 minutes from yours. Okay. Alright, you had the same. Refinancing rate was 3.65, previous 4. Okay. I don't know what does that mean, but yeah, sure. So we see these lows here. During the news, I wanna see some action, like taking the lows, the highs here. Why it change again? And then break and get something for the buy side here. We hit it first, okay? Before good ICT did. Or we did the same moment, I don't know. I just saw it on Instagram. Not Instagram, X. Yeah, you don't take any longs here. I can tell you that we can even come below, like for YM, we can come take this liquidity also. Man, we can. I mean, I didn't pay attention on this, but we can pretty much do what I said there because of them Asian low. Yes, same. So funny that the ES and YM look quite similar today. Let's see some. I haven't seen Bitcoin for ages. I trade it sometimes in weekends. Oof. This is pretty clean. This is not really a sweep. It could be, but it doesn't really look to me. So this is our yearly OB. Okay. We have this round tool. Let's find the midpoint of this. Come on. So we can come until 36,000. Worst case scenario, huh? Interesting. So this is the yearly OB. See with the random level. Yearly order block. I like what I see. You know, if September closes like this, or slightly above this close here, I might go full ball, what is it, ball steep longs here. It looks pretty nice. Let's see a daily. So notice what we are doing here. What is this? I can put a pretty clear trend line. Yes, that's liquidity. We might just bottom out, huh? Come on, EJ. It's because it's a futures chart and we have these gaps. No. This is my song. Yep. So 2 minutes for the news. This is a Nasdaq song. See Mr. Big Ben. Big Ben is bullish here, so I guess we have a huge move now in the news. Higher. Going for the highs here. Boom! New scanner, huh? No, there is more liquidity. Did we win high first? Let's see the numbers while price does what it does. Let's see if I'm lucky enough to get the price here. No, I want to hear this one more time. What was the news? 0.3 PPI is higher. It means good for the currency, yes, or good for the dollars.
Algorithms playing dirty tricks. Candlesticks and flicks so slick. Numbers dance in heavy doubt. Hold my breath, ride it out. Trading you, little NASDAQ. On the 0930 fair value gap. Dreams of gold fade to black. Slip through my fingers like sap. Margins razor thin tightrope. Hunger gnaws away my hope. Stock ticker like a mockingbird. Sings a song I've never heard. Crunching numbers on my screen. Profits lean, losses mean. Sweat and tears on my face. Chasing dreams in this rat race. Trading you, little NASDAQ. On the 0930 fair value gap. Dreams of gold fade to black. Slip through my fingers like sap. Crunching numbers on my screen. Profits lean, losses mean. Sweat and tears on my face. Chasing dreams in this rat race. Trading you, little NASDAQ. On the 0930 fair value gap. Dreams of gold fade to black. Slip through my fingers like sap.
Woke up this morning, fridge on the blink. Spilled my coffee on the kitchen sink. Pants too tight, my shirt's got a tear. Life's a bull trap, it ain't even fair. I won't start and the gas tank's dry. Neighbor's dog won't quit barking at the sky. Forgot my phone stepping out the front door. Wandering lost, looking for a store. Do the bull trap boogie groove on your feet. Life trips you up, just dance to the beat. Shake off the troubles, don't let them stay. Bull trap boogie, all the worries away. Boss man yelling, working on my last nerve. Computer crashing just when I'm on the curb. Break time busting, my lunch is all mold. Day drags on, feeling so old. Step to the left and a shimmy to the right. Twist on out all your midnight fright. Bull trap boogie till the break of dawn. Laughing at life, just bring it on. Laundry pile higher, ain't got no clean socks. Mailman's late and the bills are in flocks. Dogs chewed up all my favorite shoes. Singing the bull trap boogie like you got no blues. Do the bull trap boogie groove on your feet. When life trips you up, just dance.
Woke up this morning to sell the farm. Stockbroker called, said keep calm. Bank account empty, soul is vexed. Margin call blue, say what comes next.
We're just waiting the price to do something. Let's see what I have on MNQ. We are trading on what? It's a daily. I have no clue what this is. So we are still trading in this fair value gap. Let's make it beautiful here. Yes, now I'm excited. I want these lows in this fair value gap here to get rated. Not raped, rated. So this is London high, I think. Yes, sir. 2 o'clock. And this is Asia low. Then we have this 1 hour fair value gap here and one below, but obviously this is high premium. So ideally we want to buy a discount, but it doesn't give us the chance. Let me make this. Yeah, so this is what we said. We wanted to go high first and then come lower. And this is kind of the opposite we had yesterday. Yes? Yesterday we had down and then up. Now we had up and then down. So, let's see. This hit target, but I was in this trade and it was just barcoding forever here, and I decided to close it somewhere here. It was just doing the same thing, but you see it played out. Hindsight capital, I could have it, kept it open. So USD is dumping. What my yen does. There we go. Big Ben is a random candle, okay? Big Ben. No, we have a lot of liquidity below. Are we having a macro soon? here. So basically next one is 850 macro, yeah? 850. It looks like a market maker buy model, but I like to see it coming lower. I don't want to see it now going higher without taking any liquidity from the lows. Let's see. It's gonna go over the high. Without taking this, I don't buy it. Yeah, I can see it coming to this new fair value gap. And then what is this? I can see it coming here and then coming lower. Same thing, yeah, see? Yesterday even took this. Oh, YM took the high of the day. Midnight open.
Pocket full of dreams and a head full of schemes, gonna make some money doing crazy things.
Let's see, I wonder to see what the macro will give us. Maybe we can take some trade.
Thought it'd make me rich, but that hog turned out to be a feisty witch. Fed her corn and apples, but she just got mean. Guess my plan ain't working like a Wall Street dream. Bought a piglet on sale, thought it'd make me rich, but that hog turned out to be a feisty witch. Fed her corn and apples, but she just got mean. Guess my plan ain't working like a Wall Street dream. Buy low, sell high, that's a trader's creed. But when you're in the country, it's a different breed. I bought a cow for 20, sold her for a dime. Still trying to figure out this buying, selling ride. Got myself a rooster, thought it sang me go. Raised my morning stock, sing the bitter cold. But all it did was crow at 3 a.m. Neighbors called the sheriff, lost my last good friend. Tried to corner hay bales for a winter's game, but the market crashed with the summer rain. Stored them in my barn.
So if it loses this one here, which is probably gonna do, it's gonna go for the low here.
But when you're in the country, it's a different breed. I bought a cow for 20, sold her for a dime. Still trying to figure out this buying, selling ride.
Just waiting. The time to attack.
Got me corner hay bales for a winter's game, but the market crashed with the summer rain. Stored them in my barn, they rotted to the core. Now sweeping them my dreams off the floor. Buy low, sell high, that's a trader's creed. But when you're in the country, it's a different breed. I bought a cow for 20, sold her for a dime. Still trying to
I will watch like the 850 macro playing out and then eye close.
but when you're in the country, it's a different breed. I bought a cow for 20, sold her for a dime. Still trying to figure out this buying, selling ride.
Just going for the highs.
And selling ride.
We're gonna see. I'm not fun when I see this kind of dipping back into fair value gaps. Again, second time, especially when we traded all the way through.
I traded my old boots for Bitcoin last night. Now I'm knee deep in crypto. Ain't a cowpoke in sight. Bought me some Dogecoin. It's flying real high. But my horse won't.
Believe me, I want to long it,
My wallet's run.
but now is not the time.
Got a farm in Ethereum.
Took the high of the range, we're gonna took the low also.
Futures look bright, man. At least for today.
Same for years. This is what we expect to see. This might take even then overnight.
Trading forex and futures, burning all my cash. I'm a
Crypto cowboy.
riding the blockchain range, swapping my dollars for digital change. From forex to futures, I'm taking a chance.
Says most indices have the same thing. They are very heavy. They have to come down first. It's my short on EuroCAD from yesterday. Man, this came full extension.
But the bartender laughed, said, son, you're insane. But I might end up broke if this bubble came.
I mean, for EuroCAD, really, I look for a short again, but
Got a hot tip on my coin at the
question is when.
thinking I'll be
Let's see what it does there.
But the bartender laughed, said, son, you're insane. You'll be broke and sad when cows in the red
Just gonna wait the New York Open to see if we're gonna get the reversal here. Euro is on a sell mode now. something I was looking. Okay, let me show you the DXY. Good morning, man. That's not morning. I'm just looking something before I. So I was expecting this to get lost. But something I was looking on DXY. Candle body is never close below this. Well, a bit here, but overall we are holding. So I'm thinking if we don't lose this. So since this strip here we have been accumulating all this look like an uptrend, but on the yearly it's a bit different. Okay, you heard these songs before, EJ? Now we'll entertain you with the new playlist. I don't know, you see the new names? Some of them are very dope, but I have to create them. This is my Nasdaq song. They're funny, okay? Don't take them too hard. So if this gonna go high, oh. So euro, when I saw that, I mean we didn't take the high yet, so we have chance to do that first. But euro is practically the opposite of DXY. So I was thinking we're gonna go higher. I still think we're gonna go higher. It just this looks concerning. So we need, because this might just come to take the highs here and dump. Like whoop. Nasdaq on the 09 ferry. So in a nutshell, EJ, yesterday we said we were gonna come higher. We did came higher after taking those London lows. Maybe I go higher time frame. So we had these equal lows here. So we came after the news, we took them, and then man, this was a huge move. Damn man, this is 4%. Oh boy. So you are not here, but I was saying in the stream that I wanna see us coming into this area, these equal highs, both in NQ and ES. It's how beautiful they are. And then I saw ICT posted that keep an eye on these guys. I'm like, ooh. Are you watching the stream?
Just when I'm on the curb, break time busting, my lunch is almost. They so old. Step to the left and a shimmy to the right. Twist on out all your midnight fright. Full trap boogie till the break of dawn. Laughing at life, just bring it on.
Oh boy. Yeah, it makes sense also. One thing is we're a bit too high on the range. That's not what that's what I don't like about these. So I want to see something like this basically, but in a smaller scale, something like this, and then we just shoot higher. Something to come low and then to shoot up. Okay, we have equal lows in a fair value gap here. Is very beautiful target. All the songs I made are hilarious, man. They are for fun. They are not for. I don't want to sell what is that, the platinum singles or whatever. So I will read you some of the names of the songs, CJ, that they will come in. Pump and Dump Blues, The FOMO Fang, Bear Market Breakdown, Chart Pattern Chaos, Whipsaw Bolt, Stuck in a Dead Cat Bounce, Candlelight Confession. I shared the playlist, man. Those I have to create. I use all my credits on Suno. I think tomorrow I'll be. Have you heard the one that says trading you little Nasdaq on the 930 fair value gap? That's kind of my favorite from all of from this patch, but I'm waiting to hear the Whipsaw Waltz. Stuck in a Dead Cat Bounce. Oh. They're fun. Be right back. I'm gonna go get some water.
Recession hit hard and stocks have fell like a devil ringing my doorbell. Economy's a tricky beast untamed. Me and my funds never cope the same.
I'm back. Look what trade I had in the morning, man. I closed it somewhere here because it was barcoding like for hours, and I was recording the screen. I was like, okay, man, this is already like barcoding forever. I closed it. I mean, that was already 1.5%, 1.5 hour. Pelosi, wake up, 9 o'clock. I thought I had one for. I thought I had one for Pelosi. Yeah, those are my personal account. This was also a long I took in the morning, and I was just thinking after, why did I reverse the trade? Euro card also from last night. I deposited basically my birthday gift into my personal account and I traded, growing it 6% already, so slowly. Let me see what the ES does. I'm very curious. MNQ. No symbol, just a cross here, and then we put the MES. No. Yeah, man, I'll just, if I buy something, basically I'm just gonna waste that money. Let's see what is that. This is to check if I'm gonna go short again on this. Basically, if you see this on the weekly, you will understand why I want to go. Well, monthly is bullish. EuroCAD is bullish on monthly. It's just a weekly play I want to play. Yeah, makes sense, yes? A weekly play that I want to play. So basically we've taken the highs here and then we broke this low. So I wanted to take the short from here and then take it until the previous low of the week. On the daily you can see the bit better, yes. So you had the high that took the liquidity from the left, failed, trapped in a dead cat bounce. We broke the low and then I took a short on the retracement and one from the low here afterwards. Just gonna see if we're gonna get the explosive move to this low, or we just gonna run higher because it's a monthly bullish trend. I mean, if we really put the range, we dip it to discount, so it's not much. It's not impossible to continue higher. Didn't we hear this before also? Bear market breakdown. I almost want to short, believe me. But I know it's not the right time to do that. 9, 10. I mean, if I'm gonna take any, see, it took the low here. Yes, didn't took it. Also, I think is we're gonna see it trading lower in the beginning.
Bossman sweat drips on his silk. Portfolios are wrecked, can't even buy
Like basically doing what it did yesterday.
why oh why.
Take all the liquidity that is left behind
Blink of an eye.
and slingshot higher. And we're gonna see a reversal. Let me put the indicator on here, I will show you. It's my secret indicator.
Day trader sob screen, bright red glow. Margin call,
It's already labeled Hades.
brokers on the street got nothing.
That's correct, yes.
In mom's basement, now that's low.
10 or 15. Gonna see the previous day what happened again. Okay, that was a 9. Basically, I'm gonna see. So either why is this not visible? What the heck? What in the world?
Chuck Norris walked in the room. Bass guitar felt the boom. Crowds trembled when he
What is
played. Even shadows were afraid. Ain't no joke, he brings a storm. With a glance, he can transform. Every note hit like a punch. Players gas took out their lunch. Roundhouse blues, Chuck's the king. Not the once Chuck walked on water, left the ocean dry and blue. He can count to infinity. One look and the hill undo. When Chuck plays the blues, the sky begins to cry.
Anyway, I don't understand why.
Don't need no parachute. Man can just decide to fly. Chuck Norris tears joy and pain, but he's never shed one drop. When reggae meets his rhythm, it's the groove that won't stop.
Anyway, we'll see. Pa-pam, pa-pam.
Chuck's shadows got the
We
power.
will see what it will do, man. But I look for longs, you know, like yesterday. See, there is a 15-minute fair value gap. This is an hour late fair value gap there too.
His guitar, mountains start to sway. The slow blues meets his essence. Reggae finds its way.
Chuck Norris.
Cure pain, but he's never
Shed one drop.
when reggae meets his rhythm. It's the groove that won't stop. It's the groove that won't stop.
Yeah, I don't look for shorts. You know, it was so funny because I was like talking about the highs here. I put it here. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't want to take a. I don't want to take a trade before the open because there is a lot of liquidity below. Let me see what are you watching. Market Cypher B. Signal is
But he's never shed one drop. When reggae meets his rhythm,
No, I think you're gonna get another leg down, man.
but he's never shed one drop.
Personally, minimum.
But he's never shed one.
I mean, you can do with man whatever. It's your money, but if you want my advice, which is another financial one,
He's never shed one drop.
I think we wanna get some. We have to. We'll probably get the liquidity here in the beginning of the session.
But he's never shed one drop.
Man, look at your daily. Oof.
When Chuck
Daily is priming up, huh? 12 minutes, 12 hours. Good. I mean, I can see why you want to long now, but I can see why I want to wait. If you're gonna get like a small bite, maybe. Maybe if you're gonna get this 5 minute, is it going into the blue? I'm looking for a rejection in the lows. I might never get it. That's why I don't want to talk you out of your trade. Stupid. You get divergence here. Yeah. You get your divergence also. Which divergence basically liquidity sweep. But I'm pretty sure this will get killed once we open. I mean, your 30 minutes is open to the down, 15 minutes is open to the down, 4 hours is stopped, 1 hour is stopped and broke from anchor. So I want to see what I want to see. Honestly, I want to see this. I want the 15 minute to go and break anchor, because then it will re-anchor the 1 hour. It will be like this. Do you get it? I'm not looking for longs now. Man, 15 seconds. Man. So, if you are opening a trade on the 15 second, what is your average duration time? How long you are planning to hold it? Have to spin, so okay. It's too fast for me. Next time, okay. Seriously? Yeah, that's yeah, that's very fast for me. I'll show you, okay? When I take trades, I want to take this And sometimes I beat myself that I only close here, and because it was like the inversion here, the fair value gap here. Of course, we are below the midnight open, okay? But I was happy, you know. I took the short from NQ. I took the short here. Actually made a pause also. Let me. See? This was my trade yesterday. That was fast. That was a 2 minute. I couldn't even adjust my take profit. It went to it so fast, okay? And I was saying to myself that, okay, I will hold. And then you see, like, what is that? I was holding 0.5%. And this thing from the low. Come on. I mean, now move 2%, man. This monster moved 2%. So this guy here, he can give me a nice trade today. I mean, you see, we didn't take these highs, we make equal highs, and I want to see it plummeting now. I mean, I don't think it will do 3% move, but I would like to hold like with maybe one mini. I don't want to break also my consistency rules on Apex, and then they tell me we deny you your payout. That's huge time frame. That's a 30-minute, but what I trade is 1 minute, 5 and 1 minute. 11:30 to it was 1 hour hold, man. I haven't walked the dog here. He said, no. It's coming down, yeah? Nice. Because Market Cipher says where do we have Market Cipher now? I don't have the premium to see the 15 seconds, but I will probably pay attention today to see breaking anchor on the 15. Yeah, I mean, I was from the beginning when you enter. I told you it comes from for London and Asia low. Listen to your song. FOMO is no, let it go. It took London low. Yes, it didn't took, but it goes for the Asia low. 1 minute, 1 minute.
The sun is setting low. My old horse is tired and I'm running out of dough. With a saddle full of heartache no one else can hear. I'm looking for a place where I can trade my sorrows for beer. There's a honky-tonk off Main Street with lights a flickering bright. I push through them swinging doors and I step into the light. The band plays an old tune and the folks all cheer. I stroll up to the bar and say, trade my sorrows for a beer. I'll trade my sorrows for a beer just to ease my weary mind. A frosty mug of comfort and leave my pain behind.
No, London was 260. 233 is in Asia. I don't know, on the on the 1 minute at least. Hey, I had this here saying told ya. Told you not too long this. Did I delete it myself, yeah? My dog got bored and he was eating my pillow. So the mic today is good, yeah? Ah, EJ, before I forget. Well, this is Lana Low. And we are going for lower, as I told you. So this will be the original consolidation. Maybe this is range 1, range 2 here. And we fly.
Music turns to whispers and the rain begins to rain. But tonight, under neon lights, my heart's a bit more clear. For just this one
Is the mic today good? Okay, I was just testing it. How about the quality of the stream? I changed some settings now. On my end says is HD now, 60 FPS, 1080p. Does it look cleaner? Yes.
out on the dusty prairies, the sun is setting low. My old horse is tired and I'm running out of dough. With a saddle
Yeah, I was rewatching some of my streams to check like how my sound was and how the music sounds and everything. After it, we had the problem like lately, and then I noticed that my quality is not that good. We're gonna open in 5 minutes. Let's see the first like few minutes of open and then I will close. This guy wants to walk. Yeah, I will keep it like this. No. My dog came here and demands attention, so I don't want him to eat my pillow. said you wanted to long there. Yeah, I was just looking now. Yeah, it is London low, but not when you. I just use a. Wait a second. Could you give me your opinion of why it's not there? Well, practically, this is not London low at all. Not neither mine. If you think like that, okay, I will tell you why. London even trades when a New York stock market opens, yes, and then 11 o'clock it closes. So practically London low is not there yet at all. Okay? If we're gonna take by the book. But this is like the few hours that the market has the highest volume. So if you take that out, basically, if we take this out, just an isolated, then US 30 crossing the line. See, this is where I put to look for longs once it bottoms. Good. Yeah, I told you I'm not looking for longs here yet. So what I am showing there is I'm isolating the times of the day that have the highest volume, yes? I think when we all started with crypto in the beginning, we had this saying that the move happened on low volume, so market gonna get it easy back, basically. Kind of like the same thing, you know, if this move happened with no volume, then you don't consider it. So the highest volume in London comes in this 3-hour window. And we have 9:30 fair value gap. Should I play the 9:30 fair value gap song now, yeah? Let's see if we're gonna get it long. Maybe we'll get it live here. Do you know what? I will clip two pieces and I will make it short, saying why you shouldn't long this today. This song is basically for the fair value gap we will leave open now. So we took it at low now. Beautiful. Yeah, man, don't look at 10 seconds. 1 second looks very bullish, the other second is gone. I used to do that. I mean, even 1 minute I do myself now is kinda bad. Glorious candles on YM. This song is written for this fair value gap here. But it's the opposite. I've done a lot of profit with this. So this is very premium range. Even this 1 hour fair value gap here. And ideally, we want to go into discount, but I don't know how ideal is that idea. this is 9:30. We're gonna hit.
Woke up this morning, fridge on the blink. Spilled my coffee on the kitchen sink. Pants too tight.
Yeah, that's the
Possible trap.
overnight. So this trade I'm framing now is the Judas.
Looking for a store. Do the bull trap boogie groove on your feet. Life trips you up, just dance to the beat. Shake off the troubles, don't let them stay. Bull trap boogie, all the worries away. Boss man yelling, working on my last nerve. Computer crashing just when I'm on the curb. Break time busting, my lunch is all mold. Day drags on, feeling so old.
I don't know if we're gonna get filled ever.
And a shimmy to the right, twist on out all your midnight fright. Bull trap boogie till the break of dawn. Laughing at life, just bring it on. Laundry pile higher, ain't got no clean socks. Mailman's late and the bills are in flux. Dogs chewed up all my favorite shoes, singing the bull trap boogie like you got no blues.
It didn't tap. Oh man. Let's see, NQ.
The bull trap boogie groove on your feet. When life trips you up, just dance to the beat. Shake off the troubles, don't let them stay. Bull trap boogie, all the worries away.
You're gonna come higher.
Woke up this morning, sell the farm.
Oh,
Stockbroker called, said keep calm. Bank account empty, soul is vexed. Margin call blue, say what comes next.
it's good now because you see, I was taking live this.
Razor thin. She says, darling, where's your spine been? Told her, honey, mom,
Man, I closed it on time, huh? Whew.
got no cash.
Nice.
All misery, big old stress. Life's a joke, but ain't
I never like this.
living in a dream that's now a myth. Margin call misery, big old stress.
I never like it when it comes back.
Dog ate my newspaper stock report. Cat sitting pretty, didn't buy no sports. Neighbors all whispering, bless his heart. Living paycheck to paycheck's a lost art. Fixing to sell my coat.
You ask me why I closed it that fast here?
Debts I never even had. Thought I'd be wealthy.
It didn't came for this, and it was showing strength.
Financial
Also, I want to take long, so I'm not really heavy on the short side. So I know that will be fast,
recession hit hard and stocks fell.
but you see,
Like a devil ringing my
you saw that was a fast trade, and I used the 1 minute, not the 15 second.
me and my funds never cope the same.
Come on, nice crack. And this trade will be the last for this account for the day. For Apex. Because I do have like 200 as my consistency. put it here. And when I get that payout, man, I want to shoot. Okay, this. I wanna see it like coming for this guy here. How much R is this? If I take it here, okay, 2 R is here. Yeah, man, why I'm trading, yeah? I'll say 2 R there. I will put my stop loss there once we break the range out. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. It didn't displace higher. Woo. Yeah, it's around that. Pump and dump blues. Yeah, I'm gonna go walk my dog. This account is done for the day, man. 2 trades. Do you see, Jay? You don't have to look. And I'm telling you, it's gonna have more pain before it goes lower, higher. You want this to dig and break up. This is the liquidity I was looking for the trade. Yeah, I'm gonna walk my dog and then trade the top step account on the PM session. What if I get something on the mobile phone? I'm gonna look first. And with the song ending, I'll say thank you for watching. It was nice 2 trades, and see you next time. Bye bye.